Hello everyone, today we will see how to prepare Varutharacha curry. I am using 2 lb of goat meat, adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder and little turmeric powder and oil. Add sufficient water and we are going to cook it in pressure cooker for 3 whistles. So now the meat is cooked well, so we can keep this aside. I am taking 2 red chili and all the spices. Adding oil and we are going to fry all the spices. Half cup of grated coconut, adding sufficient water, and I took all the spices in a mixer jar, grind it nicely. Little mustard seeds and little urad dal, 2 onion, fry them for a couple of minutes. Ginger garlic, curry leaves, 2 tomatoes, cook them for 5 minutes. Now we can add the masala, mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes. Now we can add the goat meat. Adding salt. Now we can close it with the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, so our Varutharacha curry is ready.